So I'll generate the tool path and then I'll hop over to the Carvera, do the whole setup, press go, and then a couple of hours later, the parts pop out.
Hey everyone, Jason here at the Makera booth, OpenSAS 2025 with another Carvera user, Lauren, who I know does some cool 3D printing, milling, some wood, some metal, some cool stuff. So thanks for swinging by.
Thank you.
And here at OpenSAS, what are you super excited to be seeing here?
I'm really excited to see a bunch of different maker projects. I love making projects myself and sharing how with other people. So I love seeing what people are doing.
That's super cool. I know you have a channel, a YouTube channel, and you post some cool projects. What is your traffic line here?
I mostly do stuff on Instagram.
Okay.
The handle LEFMate_mate.
Awesome. I know she's working on this awesome music box right now that has some 3D printed gears, some machine, like an aluminum machine music tumbler piece.
Yeah, there's the metal that I used on the fourth axis of the Carvera, and then all the additional metal bits, keeping everything together. The wooden base has all been parts.
That's awesome. So I know you published some previews, but that's going to keep coming. There's more to see there.
Yeah.
So for your project, what's your typical workflow, right? So you do 3D printing, you do milling, but when you come up with an idea, what's step one for you? How do you dive into making something?
Well, step one is always modeling it in CAD. So I use a variety of different softwares.
Okay.
And then from there, step into the CAM program to flow the tool path.
That's awesome.
So I've been using both the Carvera CAM as well as Fusion 360.
That's awesome. That's awesome. I assume for the fourth axis stuff, Fusion, mainly. Yeah.
Really good for the fourth axis.
Yes.
So I'll generate the tool path and then I'll hop over to the Carvera, do the whole setup, press go, and then a couple of hours later, the parts pop out.
That's awesome. That's super cool. So you're here at OpenSAS, you're going to meet a ton of cool people, you're going to see a lot of projects.
Yes.
What's your next challenge? Do you know what you're already kind of planning for in the future that you can share or anything?
So for the past 2 years, I've been working on a telescope project.
So cool thing.
So I have hand ground and polished the mirror. Stepping up to the point where I have to do the mount. So I'm going to be doing that probably with Carvera.
That's awesome. I want to see that. Definitely stay tuned for that, folks. Right? So check that out. And of course, thank you for dropping by at the Makera booth with Lauren and work creators. And so stay tuned for more. We're meeting a lot of cool people here at OpenSAS 2025. Thank you again for your time.
Thank you so much.